What does a solid yellow line on your side of the road mean? A. You may pass with caution. B. Passing is not allowed. C. You are in a school zone. D. The road is one way. Answer, B. A solid yellow line on your side means passing is prohibited due to oncoming traffic risk. When approaching a stopped school bus with flashing red lights, you must A. Slow down and pass with caution. B. Stop only if children are crossing. C. Stop until the lights stop flashing. D. Honk before passing. Answer, C. It's illegal to pass a school bus with flashing red lights. You must stop completely. What is the legal BAC, blood alcohol concentration, limit for drivers over 21? A. 0.1%. B. 0.08%. C. 0.06%. D. 0.04%. Answer, B. The legal BAC limit for adult drivers in most states is 0.08%. If two vehicles reach an intersection with no signs or signals at the same time, who has the right of way? A. The vehicle on the left. B. The vehicle on the right. C. The larger vehicle. D. The faster vehicle. Answer, B. When arriving at an uncontrolled intersection, the driver on the right has the right of way. What should you do when you see a flashing red traffic signal? A. Proceed without stopping. B. Stop, then proceed when safe. C. Slow down only. D. Wait for green. Answer, B. A flashing red light is treated like a stop sign. Stop first, then proceed when safe. A yellow diamond-shaped sign usually means A. Regulatory information. B. Warning. C. Stop. D. Directional guide. Answer, B. Yellow diamond signs warn drivers of upcoming hazards or road conditions. When parking uphill with a curb, which way should you turn your wheels? A. Toward the curb. B. Straight ahead. C. Away from the curb. D. Doesn't matter. Answer, C. Turn wheels away from the curb when parking uphill to prevent rolling. What does a red and white triangular sign at an intersection mean? A. Speed limit. B. Stop. C. Yield. D. No entry. Answer, C. A red and white triangle means yield, slow down and give right of way. When can you legally use a cell phone while driving? A. Anytime while moving. B. Only in emergency situations. C. While texting. D. While stopped at a red light. Answer, B. Most states prohibit handheld cell phone use while driving except during emergencies. You should use your headlights. A. Only on highways. B. Anytime visibility is poor. C. During the day only. D. When speeding. Answer, B. Headlights must be used when visibility is low, including rain, fog, or darkness. Tailgating another vehicle. A. Increases reaction time. B. Is legal at high speeds. C. Can cause rear-end collisions. D. Reduces traffic congestion. Answer, C. Tailgating is unsafe and often causes rear-end crashes due to reduced stopping time. A broken white line on the road indicates A. No passing. B. Traffic flowing in opposite directions. C. You may change lanes. D. Lane ending. Answer, C. Broken white lines separate lanes of traffic going the same direction and allow lane changes. What should you do before changing lanes? A. Check mirrors and blind spots. B. Blow your horn. C. Speed up without signaling. D. Slow down and stop. Answer, A. Always check mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes to avoid collisions. What is hydroplaning? A. Skidding on oil. B. Braking too hard. C. Tires losing traction on wet roads. D. Driving with low fuel. Answer: C. Hydroplaning happens when tires slide on water, losing contact with the road. At a four-way stop, which driver has the right of way? A. The driver who honks first. B. The driver who arrives last. C. The first vehicle to stop. D. The fastest vehicle. Answer: C. At a four-way stop, the first vehicle to arrive and stop has the right of way. If your brakes fail while driving, you should: A. Turn off the engine immediately. B. Pump the brakes and downshift. C. Speed up to regain control. D. Honk and keep driving. Answer: B. If brakes fail, pump them and downshift to slow down, then use emergency brake. Double solid yellow lines in the center of the road mean: A. You can pass anytime. B. You can turn left. C. Passing is not allowed in either direction. D. Reversible lanes. Answer: C. Double solid yellow lines prohibit passing in both directions. When driving in fog, you should use: A. High beam headlights. B. Hazard lights. C. Low beam headlights. D. No lights. Answer: C. Use low beam lights in fog to reduce glare and improve visibility. The 2-second rule is used to determine: A. Speed. B. Reaction time. C. Safe following distance. D. Stopping distance. Answer: C. The 2-second rule helps maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. When entering a freeway, you should: A. Stop on the ramp. B. Enter at any speed. C. Yield to traffic and match their speed. D. Use hazard lights. Answer: C. When merging onto a freeway, match the flow of traffic and yield to vehicles already on it. A flashing yellow light at an intersection means: A. Stop completely. B. Speed up. C. Slow down and proceed with caution. D. Turn around. Answer: C. A flashing yellow light is a warning to proceed with caution, not a stop signal. When you hear a siren or see flashing emergency lights, you must: A. Speed up to stay ahead. B. Pull over and stop. C. Stop in the middle of the road. D. Ignore it. Answer: B. You must pull to the side and stop to allow emergency vehicles to pass. If your vehicle begins to skid, you should: A. Slam the brakes. B. Steer in the direction you want to go. C. Accelerate. D. Steer in the opposite direction. Answer: B. Always steer in the direction you want the vehicle to go during a skid. A red circle with a white horizontal line inside it means: A. No entry. B. Hospital ahead. C. Lane merging. D. Right turn only. Answer: A. A red circle with a white dash indicates do not enter. How should you react to a yield sign? A. Speed through quickly. B. Treat it like a stop sign. C. Slow down and yield to traffic. D. Ignore it if no traffic. Answer: C. A yield sign means you must slow down and give the right of way if needed. What should you do if a traffic signal is not working? A. Ignore it. B. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. C. Yield only to trucks. D. Speed through. Answer: B. If a light is out, treat it like a four-way stop and proceed carefully. When are road surfaces most slippery? A. In dry weather. B. Just after it starts to rain. C. When snow is fully melted. D. After driving for hours. Answer: B. Rain loosens oil on the road surface, making it slippery right after it begins. You may turn right at a red light if: A. There's a sign that says no turn on red. B. After stopping, the way is clear, and it's not prohibited. C. Without stopping. D. Only if no one sees you. Answer, B. Right turns on red are allowed after a full stop unless signage prohibits it. What does a green arrow at a traffic light mean? A. Stop before turning. B. Proceed in the direction of the arrow. C. Speed through the intersection. D. Stop and wait. Answer, B. A green arrow means you may safely proceed in that direction. You must report a vehicle accident to the DMV if A. The damage is over $1,000 or there is injury. B. A police officer tells you. C. Only if someone dies. D. Only if no insurance. Answer, A. Accidents involving injury or property damage over a certain amount, usually $1,000, must be reported to the DMV.